Welcome to Edible Print Magic, where we transform ordinary treats into extraordinary edible art. In this video, we'll show you how to blend pop culture and tradition using edible printing technology. First, let's dive into the exciting world of custom cakes with our Spider-Man edible print cake. Get ready to impress with this superhero-themed creation. Before we begin, a crucial tip. Always use a printer dedicated solely to edible inks. Never use a printer that has ever used regular ink, as it can contaminate your food. For best results, ensure your printer is highly compatible with edible inks and frosting sheets. This guarantees vibrant colors and smooth printing. Insert the edible papers or frosting sheets, which is made from sugar, starch, and glycerin. Print and keep 5 minutes for resting, then peel off the backing plastic from the frosting sheet. Now for the satisfying peel back. Gently peel the printed frosting sheet from its plastic backing. Watch as the Spider-Man image comes to life, printing onto the glossy frosting sheet. Bold reds and blues emerge, creating a stunning edible masterpiece. Subscribe, like, and comment. Stay connected for latest food trends.